Hey, hi. I'm going to show you how you can change your password in your Outlook. Maybe maybe there's maybe you just want to change the password in your Outlook, or um you forgot the password that you're using in your Outlook, and Outlook is giving you an error. Maybe it's a new installation of Outlook. Whatever it is, we are going to show you how you can change your password. Now, you can always go to File. Almost all versions of Outlook have files. You have to trace where your file is. Then you go to account settings, click on account settings, click on your email that you want to change the password. Okay, you can actually double click on it. When you click on double click, it will bring this POP and IMAP account settings. So you're going to go to your password and you're going to put in a new password. Okay. Then after that, you're going to click on next. So when you click on next, it will actually try to check if the password is correct, then it will finish. If the password is long, then you have to get a correct password. So when I click on next, it will try to log into the mail server to test if the password is correct. Now, in my case, my password is wrong. So I'm going to try to reset from the webmail, then I come here and update it. Okay. Now, in case you are sure of your password, this step will be fine for you. It will just proceed. So let me assume maybe even you have to reset your password for the email you are using. Okay. Now, changing the password for your email in Outlook, you have to actually go back to your maybe webmail access or whatever, maybe a Gmail that you're using. So the password change is made from where the email is from. Okay. So let me go to let me first cross all this. Okay, let me first cross all this because it seemed like it's not allowing me to come here. Okay. So if I want to change the password for my email, I have to go to my webmail. In case maybe I'm using a company email. If you're using Gmail, you have to go to the Gmail. Good. If you're using whatever you're using, you have to go to where the primary access to your emails. Remember, emails before they come to Outlook, they usually actually have to come to somewhere, a portal, maybe Gmail, then they are downloaded to your Outlook. Maybe they come to your webmail, then they are downloaded to your Outlook. So I'm using webmail. So let me go to webmail home because this is how you actually change the password for your email. So in my webmail, I have to go to password and security. Then I actually have to put in the new password. Okay. So then I'll kind of have to save this. After saving that, after resetting the password for my email, that's when you come back to your Outlook. In other words, you can't reset the password for your Outlook within Outlook. You have to reset it outside Outlook. Okay. So in Outlook, you can only change the password to what you maybe reset if you know your password. So let's go back again to File, Account Settings, Account Settings. This is the email. We double click on it. Then let's go to the password. Then we put in the password. Okay. Then let's click on Next. Okay. It's going to try to log into the incoming mail server. Then it's going to pass that. It's going to try to send a test email and all that stuff. Okay. So that's how you can actually change the password for. So let me click on cross, finish. So that's how you can that's how you can change password for your Outlook. Okay, on your Outlook. But it's important to know you can't reset your email password in Outlook software. You have to reset it from your from where your email comes from. Okay, so in Outlook you can only change the password of your email, but you can't reset the password of your email within Outlook. Okay, if you're interested in videos like this, I appreciate if you can subscribe, you can leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.